before we dive in. If you don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more exciting content. Can a live-action remake truly capture the magic of the original? The Lion King, a timeless Disney classic, has been a staple of many childhoods. However, the 2019 live-action remake left some fans underwhelmed. Despite its stunning visuals, it lacked the emotional depth that made the original so unforgettable. A financial success, but a creative miss. The 2019 remake earned over $1.65 billion at the box office, but it faced criticism for its portrayal of the animals, particularly the lack of emotional depth compared to the original animated version. This issue has been a recurring point of contention in many discussions about Disney's live-action remakes. A noticeable shift in the right direction. The trailer for the upcoming original movie, Mufasa the Lion King, appears to address past criticisms. The visual effects have a more cartoony feel, making the animals more relatable and easier to connect with on an emotional level. Mufasa's animals have more cartoonish features. The artists responsible for Mufasa have put thought into changing the appearance and ambiance of the animal characters. They aim to strike a balance and enhance the film by showcasing various emotions like joy, happiness, sadness, fear, and excitement in their expressions. Disney's Lion King live-action remake couldn't capture the magic. The 2019 live-action remake didn't evoke the same powerful emotional response as the original, rather than matching the emotional intensity of the 1994 film. It aimed for complete photorealism, making the animals seem grand and imposing, yet emotionless. Mufasa may have found the right balance. The revamped version of Mufasa appears to have found a balance between photorealism and character expressions. The lion seemed to possess genuine emotion, character, and personality, making the film more relatable and engaging. A fresh start with a new story. Mufasa presents a fresh, original story rather than another remake, adding to its allure. By blending all these components skillfully, Mufasa might successfully uphold the tradition of the series and recapture that enchanting Disney magic once more. And on a lighter note, why did the lion go to the dentist? Because it had a roaring toothache. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.